Hey, 2D2 here, coming to you with a what's for dinner. Today I'm going to make a homemade KFC famous bowl. What you'll need is boneless chicken breasts, can of corn, potatoes, and sprinkled cheddar cheese. So let's get started. First thing we want to do is boil some water. Once you boiled your water, you'll need to add in your potatoes. I have here 5 potatoes. Okay, now that the potatoes are cooking, you'll need to cut up your chicken breasts. What I did is cut it in half and I cut it across. You need it to be in chunks. It doesn't have to be perfect, but this is how it should look, like this. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect, but you need to have it kind of chunky, but not too thin. Now, I have flour here. I put seasoned salt, turmeric, paprika, garlic powder, salt, pepper, sage. You can just add any kind of seasoning like in your chicken. I have had my oil warming up, and now I can add in the chicken just like this. You can get a pretty good amount into the pan. It doesn't really take that long to cook because they're so thin and not a huge piece of meat. Next thing you'll now I have the potatoes are cooked. What I did is to tell if the potatoes cooked all the way, put a knife or a fork through it. If it comes off the utensil smoothly, then it's finished. What I like to do after I cook my potato, I would like to set it into some cold water like this. Reason being because to me, it's easier for the peeling to come off of the potato, or you can also peel your potato off before you cook it. Then I chopped up my potatoes and put it into the mixing bowl. Okay, next thing you'll need to do is add a half of a cup of milk and a half of a stick of butter, depending on how much potatoes you use. Then I mix it for a minute or until everything is smooth out, the potato smooth out. And this is how the potato is supposed to look, nice and smooth. I have already put it into my bowl because everything else is already ready to be served. I have warmed my corn. So let's get preparing the dish. Like I said, I already have the potato already in my bowl. I'm going to add in my corn on top. You don't need too much corn. I just covered up the mashed potatoes. Just have a layer of corn, just like this. I'm really looking forward to digging into this. Looks really, really delicious. Then you can add in your sprinkled cheese and put it in the microwave and let it warm up, and it'll look like this. Doesn't it look good? Well, that is it. If you tried this recipe, I hope you enjoyed it. But if you like, comment, subscribe, push that notification button, you'll be notified whenever we do videos. Share to your family and friends. Maybe they'll like to try it. And stay tuned for more videos.